If you really want to be a high value woman, you need to understand the laws of high value women. The first one I want to mention is the law of clarity. You attract what you clearly want. Vague desires give you vague results, so get very specific. Number 2 is the law of belief. If you don't believe you deserve it, you'll sabotage it. Number 3 is the law of focus. Where focus goes, energy flows. Stop feeding it what you don't want. Number 4 is the law of action. The universe responds to movement, so you need to align your actions with your intentions. Number 5 is the law of detachment. You want it, but you don't need it. Desperation blocks your blessings. Number 6 is the law of persistence. Attraction takes time. Don't quit before the miracle. And number 7 is the law of alignment. If it feels forced, it's probably not aligned. You need to trust flow over force. Hopefully this helps you while you're on your journey.
If you want to become a high value woman that everyone respects and will do anything for, then this video found you for a reason. A high value woman has high standards that she does not apologize for, nor does she ever make exceptions on. It doesn't matter how long she's been dating someone, how long she's known someone, regardless of the situation, she will always uphold her standards. How does she uphold those standards? She walks away the second they are not met. She always puts herself in a position where she can walk away, where she has the conviction to walk away. When her standards are not met, there's no arguing, there's no fighting, she simply walks away. Her absence is her upholding her standards. She treats herself kind of like Harvard University, where she knows the power of a Harvard degree, aka her presence. She knows what comes with that reputation, what comes with being at Harvard, and she does not take that lightly. She doesn't let just anyone into Harvard. In fact, she has thousands of applicants, right? But she's very selective with who she lets in, and the second someone isn't upholding the standards of the institution or of her standards, they are immediately no longer in her life.
Let's talk about how you're going to rebrand into that high value woman with standards. That doesn't take from anybody in 2026. You guys really loved part 1, so let's go into some more tips on becoming her. The first one, and the one that I'm the most passionate about, is no self-deprecating talk. It isn't funny, and you're actually causing more harm than you realize. The sly little jokes that you make about yourself to your friends, calling yourself a loser, saying that you're broke, saying that you're a failure, you want all these things and these people that you don't have, you're telling your subconscious mind who you are. Every time that you say something negative about yourself, your subconscious mind is downloading that information and treating it as fact. Whenever I'm around somebody that talks badly about themselves, you know, let's say I'm talking about myself or something that happened, and somebody says, oh, I could never do that because X, Y, Z, it just makes me feel really sad for them, and it also makes everyone kind of just not know what to say. No more self-deprecating talk. I want everyone to love themselves. Number 2 is fishing for compliments. When you go out of your way to always say, you're the most attractive person in the room, so many guys hit on you at the bar last night, every single guy wants to be with you and get your number, you're actually sending the opposite signal. Somebody truly confident does not feel the need to tell everyone. A truly confident person doesn't crave external validation because they already give themselves more than what any person could give them externally. It doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with thinking of yourself in a high regard. You absolutely should, but don't vocalize it. Next is don't tell anybody your plans. This is one that I've been really big on for a long time. You gain nothing from telling everyone what you're planning to do, how you're going to take action, your new business plan, a big weight loss journey you're going to go on. You don't have to fill people in on every single detail about what you're planning to do to become the best version of yourself. Just do it. You should move in silence because your plans are no one else's business, and you don't want anybody's limiting or negative opinions affecting what you do. The second you get any sort of negativity or doubt in your mind, that plan is ruined. Never cancel your plans for somebody else. If you're going to a Pilates class the next morning and you're out with your friends, or you're with a guy and you're thinking about just canceling the class and doing what everyone else is doing, I was gonna go get a workout in, but you know what, maybe I'll cancel it because I want to be with these people. There are times where that's okay, but don't make that a habit. You are the center focus of your life. If you change your plans constantly and alter what you're doing based on what everyone else is doing, people subconsciously respect you less and think that they matter more than your goals do.